If you've ever run into that frustrating error in Adobe Acrobat, this document could not be printed. You know how it can grind your workflow to a halt right when you need that printout the most. Today, I'm going to walk you through a set of steps that will help you fix this error so you can get your documents printed smoothly and get back to what matters. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a handful of proven fixes at your disposal, from quick solutions to deeper troubleshooting, all explained in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're not a tech expert. So let's dive right in. We'll kick things off with a few quick fixes that solve the issue for most people. First, let's try the Print as Image option. When you hit that print button in Acrobat, look for Advanced near the bottom of the Print dialog box. Go ahead and click that, and you'll see an option labeled Print as Image. Check that box before you print. Why does this help? Well, sometimes PDF files have complex formatting, graphics, or embedded fonts that trip up the printer. Printing as an image essentially flattens all of that complexity, giving your printer an easier task. It's a bit like taking a snapshot of the page. So, if your document is graphics heavy or using unusual fonts, this is worth a try. Next, we're going to look at a setting called Protected Mode. This is designed to keep you safe from potentially harmful files, but sometimes it's a little too protective and blocks printing. To change this, open Acrobat and go to Edit Preferences. From there, select Security Enhanced, and you'll find a box labeled Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Uncheck that box. Keep in mind, this feature is important for security, but disabling it temporarily can help you diagnose if it's behind your printing woes. You might need to restart Acrobat after you've made this change. If the error goes away, you've found the culprit. If not, you can always turn it back on, and let's move on to your print queue. Sometimes print jobs get stuck or pile up, and that backlog can block new documents from being printed. On your computer, open your printer settings and find the option to view the print queue. Cancel any pending or stuck jobs. You're looking for anything listed that hasn't printed yet. Clearing this out gives your printer a fresh start. While we're on the topic of fresh starts, let's give your physical printer a quick reboot. Power it off, wait about 30 seconds, long enough to clear out any lingering issues, and then turn it back on. This little reset can work wonders, especially if your printer has been running for a while or seems unresponsive. If those quick fixes didn't solve it, there are a few more advanced troubleshooting steps worth trying. First, make sure your printer driver is up to date. Head over to your manufacturer's website, like HP, Brother, Canon, Epson, whichever you use. Find your exact printer model and look for the latest driver available. Download it, run the installer, and follow the prompts. An outdated driver is a common cause of communication issues between your computer and printer. Along those same lines, double-check Adobe Acrobat itself. It's easy to miss updates. In Acrobat, go to Help, Check for Updates, and let the program walk you through anything it finds. Updates can fix bugs and compatibility issues that interfere with printing. Sometimes the driver itself gets corrupted. It happens. If updating didn't help, try removing your printer from your system and reinstalling it using that fresh, new driver you downloaded. This might take a few minutes, but it's a thorough way to reset everything. Don't forget about Acrobat's own repair tool. Under the Help menu, look for the Repair Installation option. Running this scan can fix missing or broken program files that might be stopping you from printing. Finally, let's talk about the PDF itself. Sometimes the issue isn't with your computer or printer, it's with the file. Try opening the PDF in another program like your web browser and see if you can print from there, son. If you still can't, the file may be damaged. Also, check the document's printing permissions. In Acrobat, go to File, Some Properties, Security, and look for any restrictions. If printing is blocked, you'll need to get a version with fewer restrictions. If you suspect the file is corrupt, you can save it as a new PDF. For example, save as a PDF-A format, and see if that helps. And that's it. If you follow these steps, there's a great chance you'll get past the "this document could not be printed" error and regain control of your printer. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into a tricky step. Subscribe for more practical tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next print job.